We are going from broke to rich. This is day 2 of turning 100 to a million trading gold. Today is independent of yesterday. Yesterday we mismanaged our trade. However, today we are looking for new opportunities and we are not dwelling on the past at all. So starting in our Asian session, we can see that we don't really have a clear structure looking for that pendulum so that we may find a pivot. We can see that we don't really have a clear one in this time frame. So we go fast forward all the way to the London session. We can see this deep retracement right now happening in the market, and we do have a pendulum forming right here, which would leave this candle for our pivot. I'm going to highlight the pendulum for you guys. 0.1, 3, and that would be our 4. This will be our second point on the pendulum. So this is what the pendulum looks like, you guys. Again, if you guys do not know what it looks like, check the other videos on the channel. I do have some introductory videos which will explain this in more detail for you guys. However, this is the pattern that we're looking for. Once we identify it, this is our candle that we are looking for inside of the London session, and we're going to draw that out until 8 a.m. That's when the New York session begins, and that's when we stop looking for this one, and we can just go ahead and label that as our London break. It's almost the New York session right now, and we're waiting for our New York pendulum, see if we get a pivot, see if we get a entry point in that session also. So as you guys can see, a few minutes have went by since we were last looking at this, and we did highlight this level right here. Market is not showing any respect to it right now, so we're going to go ahead and remove that. We don't want it to be confusing us in the future. And as you can see, there is a pendulum formed right here. However, we will not be using this one to find our pivot because it started outside of our initial balance on our New York session. So we will be disregarding this pendulum, and we cannot use this as our pivot for the main fact that, number one, it started outside our initial balance on our New York session, and also the pivot itself would be inside our initial balance. So we are moving closer to the pivot point in our London session that we highlighted earlier. Let's get our price levels from our trading view. Our entry will be 3368.98, so we can go ahead and input those values. 3368.9, and I guess 69 is also fine. And we can have our stop at 3373.2. And like I said, we're only going to be risking no more than $10 per trade, so we have to size down, and this will be sell limit order. And let's go. So right now we're just waiting for the market to execute our limit order that we had. And remember, guys, patience is the name of the game. So we just had our order executed. We are short on gold right now, and as you guys can see, we don't have a take profit set, not yet. We did highlight this level on our trading view for this close on this candle, sorry. And we can go ahead and we'll probably be targeting somewhere around here as our take profit on this trade. So remember, you guys, patience is the name of the game. Our 5-minute chart is still malfunctioning for some reason. So we're going to be looking at our 2-minute chart, and don't let this up move scare you. You guys, remember, it's just a game of probabilities. If we get stopped, we just go on to the next day. We did mismanage our trade yesterday. However, today is completely independent of what happened yesterday. Every day, every session presents its own opportunity, and we have to execute regardless of what happened the day before or the session before. So right now, let's go. We're short. Let's wait and see how it plays out for us. So yeah, market attacked our stop aggressively. Day 2 of turning 100 to a million, and we are down $8. Tune in tomorrow for day 3.